Hello everyone, I am Satyam, and in this video we will be covering the DOM in JavaScript in more details. So in this video we will be covering about how we can change the style of something and the styles of the HTML element. As we all know that DOM is very important topic of JavaScript because we can change any content anytime. So what we can do is we can choose different things to query a single thing. Like if I want to select all the paragraphs, then I can do it like by choosing all the tag names, or I can use the query selector all method of the document object. Similarly, there are many more methods that we can do to change some content in JavaScript. So there are basically like what we can do is we can create different methods, and different methods have their different properties, and different with the help of these properties we can manipulate the DOM. So DOM manipulation is very good in those aspects. So now suppose if a user is using a website and the user wants to like change some content, so what the user can do is the user can simply user is simply using the website, and without reloading the web page you can change the DOM content. Or you what you can do is like when you click something, all the content is changed without even without even loading the page, or without even sending a single HTTP request to the web server. All this can be done with the help of the DOM manipulation. So there are many frameworks in JavaScript like Angular, React, and Polymer. So if you use the Angular, then you will get to know the importance of this, how you can manipulate DOM, because Angular is fully dynamic in nature. And dynamic means that like I am typing 3 plus 2 and it shows me the output of 5 without even typing something else. Just by typing 3 and 2 I get the value as 5. So all these things are very important. So this all happens due to the DOM manipulation in JavaScript. So let's see, this is the same pic. I don't think there is a need to explain this pic now, but just want to say that document object is the main source, or with the help of which you can change anything in this in the document, in the HTML document. So let's see how you can change the HTML and CSS with the help of DOM manipulation. So we can change the HTML content and CSS with the help of JavaScript document object. We will see some examples. That is, we can change the content by simply the document object. So now this is a simple code. First line is doc type HTML, that tells the browser that I am using the HTML version 5. After that we have the HTML tag, then the body, then the image with the ID of image, and the source is smiley.gif. Now this smiley.gif resides on my server, so that I don't need to change that thing. Otherwise you have to like put some other link or source to where you have stored the image. So after that I have a break tag and then a paragraph tag, hello unacademy users. So what I can do is I have written a JavaScript, and what I have done is I have used a function load. That function has like 3 lines in it. First line is like taking the ID of image and then changing the source. .src will change the source of the image to landscape.jpg. So what will happen is it will change the image like permanently there when the user loads the web page. After that I have used the document.write method. Now the write method is very useful. If we have to write something to the document, we can use the write method. You can use the inner HTML method, but the inner HTML method will work on some DOM element. So you can simply directly write to the DOM with the help of document.write method. After that I have used the document.getElement by ID, and I have used the p1 ID so that I can access the paragraph. And instead of hello unacademy users, I want to display new text there. So I have displayed that function, and this is looking perfectly fine. I don't get any error in typing this much code. After that, when I call that function, you can see in the script part, when I load that function, what I get is there is a landscape image. Although my source is saying that smiley.gif, but I am getting the landscape.jpg image in the source view. After that, I can see the date when I recorded, like when I uploaded that code, and after that I can see new text. Like I have placed the new text here, so I get the new text because you can see above there is a break tag, due to which I am getting the output as like date is showing in the third place, and then the and new text is placed before. So don't worry about that, it's just because of the break tag. After that, you can see that we can change any content very easily. Like I can set a timer that after 5 seconds of time, all my data in the website must be changed. Then it becomes very easy to like maintain my website, or want to give the user a better experience. I can use Ajax with that, so that the user even can't see the loading part, so that my website loads every 5 seconds and it shows different content, and without even changing the and without even letting the user and the user will not know what is happening, but he or she will get a very good experience. So let's see, there is another example. I have used a button, and then on button I have used the on click method. Now on click method can receive a function or something else, but instead of passing the complete function, I have written the source code here directly. So I have written that document dot get element by id, and then I get the id of the text, that is id1, and dot style is used to change the style or css. And after that I want to change the color, then dot color equals to red. So what will happen is, when I click on that button, the content of the heading tag changes its color. So it gives the user a very rich experience, that after clicking something you are changing the color of the website, like this. So you will get the output as this. So you can see how simple it is to change the content of the HTML with the help of the DOM manipulation. And you can try as many codes as you can and share your code with everyone. So I guess this is it for this tutorial. So thanks for watching guys, and stay tuned with the Unacademy for more videos, and you can get the full source code at the following link.